Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I'm Frank Bruno. Today I'd like to speak about Real Estate Meets Divorce Part 2. I was fielding a few questions yesterday about a situation that I described on this Facebook post. It was where parents had transferred a deed to their only son, and while he's going through a divorce now, his wife is making a claim for a portion of the home, and I indicated that was the meeting of divorce law and inheritance law. I'd like to explain a little bit further. Now, the parents are still alive, so really, when they transfer a property to their son, it's not inheritance, right? Because they're still alive. However, it's in the vein of inheritance. It's in the area. It sort of feels like it should be inheritance because it's from parents to a child. But it's a gift during their life, so it's different than inheritance. Inheritance, when you give to a child, it's never marital property. So if my parents left me $1 million and I put it in a separate bank account with my name on it only, and I leave it there untouched, that's always going to be mine, and it's never part of the marital estate. So if I ever got divorced, that $1 million would not be part of the amount to be split with my wife. And we're married 21 years. I don't plan on getting divorced anytime soon. But you never know. She can meet someone a little nicer, better looking, a little smarter. But I can only hope that doesn't happen. But that $1 million in my example never becomes part of the marital estate. Now, the house in my scenario yesterday is a little bit different. Because if I was given a house by my parents, and it was a gift, and I lived there with my wife and my 3 children, sometimes people take a mortgage out on the house. My salary and income would go towards the payment of the mortgage and insurance and all of the expenses. But so would my wife's. Her salary would contribute towards that as well, right? And how do we figure out who's paying what unless we have separate bank accounts? So it becomes a murky situation. And that's why you really never want to you never want to give anyone that you love a gift unless you can really tie it into to the laws of trust, inheritance, and asset protection. There is a strategy that could be employed, that you could give a gift during your life for the benefit of your child or children, but it has to be done in a certain way. So I can help you with that certain way. If you have any questions, if you'd like to speak with me, please go to callfrankbruno.com. Thank you. It's going to shut off.